Uh, what's cracking, lacking, boys and girls? Well, I had the video made for this truck, welding up the floor pan and crap. Yeah, the only thing you could see was a black screen and audio. That's all I had. Don't ask what's going on. By the way, freaking heater just scared the crap out of me. Oh, that's besides the point. Yeah, well, can you guys see it? November 18th. We won't get on this truck. You might see it later in the future. Anyways, I did get the floor all welded in. It kind of sucked because it was a pretty interesting patch job I was doing. Let me get this big freaking tire out of the way. Yeah, it was a pretty interesting patch job, to be honest with you guys. Well, you guys can't see crap. My bad, boys. We get a light, not a lighter, a light, a flashlight, torch, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't know why you guys call a flashlight a torch and a torch a torch. That don't make no sense. Somebody asked me for a torch, I'm gonna give you a torch. But anyways, there's the floor patch panel. That's the start of it. Yeah, all the way up in there. That was interesting, guys. That was fun. That's done. Let's see. Okay. That's turned out pretty decent up in here. I don't know. Can you guys see it? There's what that turned out to be. Yeah, pretty decent. It'll work. It'll ship. Yeah. Not bad. We did not get around to doing any of the body work this year. Winter was kicking us in the rear. We had to get this truck done. And probably it's back in the garage. It's kind of obvious. You guys haven't figured it out. But yeah, the truck's back in the garage again. My mom should have kept her mouth shut about bragging about her driving the van. Never broke the van, but when I drive the van, I broke it. Well, now she broke her truck. So, further ado, yeah. Oh, and one thing to know. Make sure you go and double check body bushing mount bolts. They were all loose on the truck. So other than that, yeah. I'm going to catch you guys later. Let you guys see the rest of it. So, peace out. Have fun. Hey boys, what's cracking lacking? Well, you missed the non-excitement, I should call it. Yep. Dad was off for the last week, and we ended up getting the rockers done. Sorry boys, you missed the fun. Yep. The outer rockers are done. It's the most time-consuming, frustrating for how thin this crap is. But the one thing I think is kind of funny, I still don't know how that turned out better than the driver's side. Don't make any sense, but yep, she's all done. Got get everything put back together, so let's give me a second. Let's hook up the battery, because I do have the battery disconnected, and see if this pig will start after 3 months of sitting. This battery unplugged. Yeah. Alright. Do a cold start on her. I'm not fully done yet. I still got the bed to do. I see flashers on. I need to check something really quick, guys. Never start a vehicle if you don't check the oil. She's dark, but she's got oil. Just in case she leaked it out sitting in here. Never know. Strange things has happened. Alright, boys. Yeah, what I mean by the bed needs to be fixed. Yeah, that needs to all be tightened up. But I want to spin it around. Yeah, and we also got the interior put back in the truck too. And that thing's fine. She's Chevy. Oh no, how's the Chevy? It knocks, it kicks, and it shakes. That's a Chevy, boys. Oh yeah, that's Chevy. Oh boy. Oh man, it smells good, guys. Too bad you guys didn't have smell vision. Alright, boys. I want to back her up when she calms down. We're going to back her up, spin around. Yep, that's typical Chevy. Yeah, everything looks good up on the gauge. Didn't kill her. Alright, catch you guys later. Catch you guys in the field. Hey guys, what's cracking like it? Just want to give you an ending to the story of this truck. Bed's tight. You see, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, and a crossbar. Tighten this bed all up. Alright boys, I guess we're not going to be doing no more body work, I guess. I'm going to do a video on this. I got to fix this. So that is on the to-do list. But apart from that, no Bondo, no nothing, I guess. No one wants to buy anything to finish up this truck, so here's the story. Alright boys, I did my part. I'm not a money bank. I'm not buying no more crap for the truck. I think I'm in debt enough. Alright, catch you guys later then. Peace out, have fun. Okay boys, we're gonna try something here. I haven't put it in yet. I want to show you guys what's doing. Let's this thing start. Five to 15, guys. 5 to 15. Hey boys, what's cracking like? I just restarted the truck. I let it set, let everything settle back down. What we're having an oil delivery issue on top end of this motor. And I got a few of these lifters running now, but not all of them. Oh, I don't know if you guys see it. So yep, I don't know what we're gonna do, guys. So we got some and don't have some. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys later then. Peace out. And hang on, let me shut the truck off, let's talk. Cause I got something I want to bring up to you guys that really ticks me off at the parts store. At any store. Okay. If you guys are buying filters for these 5.3s, truck filters, quit buying the, if you go under K&N SO 107 is a car filter for the 5.3s. The SO 206 is a truck filter. Truck filters are taller. Car filters are shorter. That's a tall filter. Car filters are short because of the ground clearance. Don't buy a car filter that's 107 for the 5.3s. They're K&N 206. It's for any K&N. It don't matter if it's an SO, KT, whatever. It could be Yo parts. It's still a K&N is the only filter I run on these 5.3s. They're a lot better than most of them. So, okay, I'll be back when I get back underneath the truck.